Looking for the best Hostinger coupon code to save the maximum amount on web hosting? Then this is exactly what you need to know. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 83% off on their hosting plans, making it one of the biggest discounts you can find. But here's the real secret to getting the lowest price possible. If you use my referral link in the description, you'll get an extra 20% off on top of this discount. That means you're combining offers and paying way less than the normal price. And that's not all. You also get extra free months added to your plan, so you're getting more value without paying anything extra. Now, if you're thinking about whether it's safe to try, here's the good part. Hostinger gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try everything risk-free and get a full refund if you don't like it. So if you're planning to start a website, blog, or any online business, this is the perfect time to grab this deal. Just click the link in the description